How about you, Malik? All right, let's get started. So today we will be talking about the new question bank which we have got for our English. The topic name is
The river bank.
which. Okay,
Yeah.
we have got around 40 question.
Yep.
Shall I take the questions or you want to take the question, Malik? Okay. Question number one. Who is the main character at the beginning?
Mole.
Mole. Yes, that's correct. Tired of living. Let's go slow. Let's not be in a hurry. We need to read the question and understand. He left the house because he was tired of cleaning. That sounds good.
Yeah.
Where does mole live?
Burrow.
Burrow. Yeah, okay, that's correct. What season is mentioned? Summer, spring,
Spring.
spring. Okay, that's correct. What did mole discover? He discovered a river. Okay. Who did mole meet?
Rat.
Rat or rabbit?
Rat.
Rat. Okay. What nickname rat is called?
Rat.
Ratty. Okay. What does rat love most? Flying, running, boating, or okay, he loves boating. That sounds good. What did a rat invite mole to do? Boat ride, dance, play, or cook? Boat ride. He invited rat to mole. Rat invited mole to do for a boat ride. Okay. What was beside the river? River. What was beside the
River
river?
bank.
River bank. That's correct. Next question. Who did mole feel? Sorry. How did mole feel? Excited. Yeah, he was feeling excited. What did rat use? Boat. That's the correct answer. He uses a boat. What did rat pack? Books, shoes, food, or toys? Food. Yeah, food is very much important. Which animal is friendly? Rat or wolf or snake or fox? Rat. That sounds good. What kind of place is the river? Noisy, dangerous, peaceful, or dirty? Peaceful. Okay, that sounds good. Next question. What did mole enjoy?
Nature.
Nature, homework, darkness, or what? Nature. That's correct answer. Main theme of the story is magic, competition, friendship, or what? It's about friendship. The river symbolizes what did Mole leave behind? Cleaning. Yes, he was doing spring cleaning and then he left behind. What made Mole happy? River. Yes, that's correct. What did Rat offer? Boat ride. That sounds good. What was the weather like? Pleasant. Yes, that's correct. What lesson do we learn? Easy fight, love nature, love nature. That sounds good. Which animals like river most? Rat, wolf, tiger, or fox? Should be rat. Okay. Mole felt excited during boat ride or angry or sleepy or bored? Definitely excited. The story start in mole's school, boat, burrow, or garden. Burrow. That sounds good. Rat was very mean, kind, rude. Yeah, it's kind. Picnic happened near the river. That sounds good. Mode of the story is happy. Who wrote the Riverman?
Kenneth Grahame.
Kenneth Grahame. Yes, that's correct. And that's it. And good job. You have scored perfect score. You are having a Riverbank champion. That's all, guys, for now. Have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye.